So here's like simple stuff. This is called looka.com. And again, I'm just trying to kind of, that might have been a little bit more technical because somebody has to upload the code. I might have just got, there we go. But some of this stuff, it's finding the right people. So again, at the end, I'm going to show you how you don't even have to do this stuff. You just got to find somebody to do it for you. In this case, it's a logo maker. So I put in Jacksonville home buyers. This is Looka. I hit get started. What kind of industry am I in? Real estate investing. I'm going to click real estate investing. Continue. I'm going to pick some that I kind of like. So I don't know. I'm just going to randomly pick some. Let's just do a few. So we're not taking all day doing it. Let's maybe pick blue. There's some colors that I like. And company name. I could enter a slogan if I want. And continue. So now I have logos coming. So I just created logos for my business. And you might not like all, and again, I have to go back and pick the certain designs that I like to make sure the ones that I like are going to pop up. I just hit generate more logos if I don't like this. But this thing's literally going to create logos on the fly. So you blow one of them up so you can kind of see it a little better. Within just a few seconds. So this is a logo maker called Looka. And again, some of them are plain, some of them get a little nicer, but within seconds you have a logo. So you want a website done. So maybe you're trying to get private lending money, and you want a website specifically for private lenders in Jacksonville. Within a second, I can have the website pop up with, that's what I do, is I take private people's money and invest it into real estate. This one is called Mixo. It's mixo.io. And so I just put in whatever it is that I want. So if you want to put in, like, again, private lending, a specific area. These aren't like perfect sites. So you're going to want like your main site's not going to be this. This is for something off the fly if you want to target a very niched thing. But in a few seconds, it called the site Homebuyer Pro. I got a little logo here. Find your dream home in Jacksonville. Looking to buy or sell a home in Jacksonville? Homebuyer Pro is your go-to platform for all real estate needs. It's got a little testimonial here that I switch out. Easy home search, sell your home quickly, expert guidance. Another testimonial here. Start your home buying journey today. But I can just pop out something quick like this. Again, this is, it's not going to be your main site. This is just going to be something if you need like a quick, there's a very targeted person that you want to hit. Maybe you're sending out that mail, or you're looking for a lender for something that you're doing. This is something to give you something super fast. So you have the logo, you have the name, you have the website, the opt-in, everything, just like this. Here's a presentation. So maybe you want to give a presentation to that crowd. Maybe it's on private lending. This is called Gamma. It's GAMMA.app. I click on Create New, Generate. All right, it's going to ask me what I want. I can create a web page, document, or presentation. I'm going to do a presentation. Type in any topic or language. So let's see. We help invest people's money secured with real estate. So let's just try that. So I'm going to hit Enter. Continue, continue. So now I have an entire presentation on investing in real estate and working with me. And as you can see, it's going through every single slide and building out my presentation with all the content, all the pictures, and everything I want. I can change any of this, by the way. Is this stuff crazy or what? I mean, because like I already know how to do a lot of this stuff, but we help invest people's money secured with real estate. Investment is an essential part of growing one's wealth. With real estate investing, it's a stable, lucrative option. Our team is dedicated to helping people invest their money in real estate with security and confidence. Why invest in real estate? And it goes through the stable investment, long-term appreciation, diversification of their portfolio. Our approach, how we do it, case studies, client satisfaction, and all this stuff is done for me. The other thing too is when I send this out through Gamma, I actually know if they read it and how far they got. So it shows me every single slide that they went through, and it notifies me if they actually looked at it or not. So I already know if they went through it. It pings me, and I can call them as soon as they're done. Like, hey, have you had a chance to go through it yet? I already know they did.